Welcome to the demonstration of our Celata's Salesforce Automation mobile application demo. Primarily, the user of this application will be sales agent or the field officer of your organization. Please note that this user role and the permissions can be tailored as per your requirements. Without further delay, now we will see a quick glimpse of the application's capability through this video. First, once you log into the application, you'll see the dashboard with tabs including the options for route planning, my routes, sales, collection, tracking, my leads, products, and reports. Below these options, we have a sales map showing your allocated locations. This map is expandable and it will show you all the location that you are allocated to your relevant tasks. There is also a bar chart based on the data analysis, which provides a summary of your total collections and sales. Let's start with route planning by clicking the route plan option and you will be directed to this screen. Now we are under the sales tab. Select a route, for example, Route 6. All locations related to that route will appear under the outlet list. You can scroll through and select outlets you want to visit. Further, you also have the ability to apply filters based on criteria like outlet name, distance, sales revenue, category, or last visited date. For example, filtering by sales revenue of $5,000 or more will update the list based on the condition given. Now, in order to process the route plan, you first need to add the outlet that you want to visit and perform the tasks. Once you click the Add button of the outlets, those will be added under the selected outlet lists as you can see on the screen. Now, you shall click Process Route to see the optimized route on the map for easy navigation. The best route is determined based on your selected criteria, such as revenue, distance, or any other applied filter. That was the quick look at the route plan feature, optimizing your sales and route planning effortlessly. Now, we will go through My Routes, which is similar to route planning, but here, you plan your route by yourself. You don't need to select a route here because your allocated routes and outlets are already listed. Simply select the outlets you plan to visit and apply filters like name, distance, or sales revenue. The list updates based on your criteria, and when you process the route, an optimized path appears on the map, numbered sequentially. Moving on to the Sales tab, you start by activating geofencing, which helps track your locations and sales activities accurately. The geofencing ensures that sales agents operate within designated areas. The next step will not accessible for the users who are outside these geofences. When you start geofencing, it will take you to this screen, and you can select the nearby outlets appear from the drop-down menu. For example, if you select Outlet 2, it will take you to this screen where it shows the agent's name and available products. After selecting the relevant product that you want to sell to this outlet, you can adjust quantities using the plus and minus buttons as shown in the screen. Once the order is finalized, you can place it by clicking the Place Order button. After placing the order, the total value appears and you can confirm the payment option. If you're collecting cash, enter the relevant amount and confirm. The order is then successfully placed, and you can download the receipt of the transaction. If not collecting cash, you can upload a deposit slip as well to finalize the process through the uploading option given to you and successfully complete your order. If the customer wants to pay later on a credit basis, you can mark the payment option as Pay Later. Here also you will have the facility to download the receipt for future references. Now the transaction details for Pay Later will be automatically transferred to the Collection tab. Moving on to the Collection tab by clicking the Collection button from the dashboard. The geofencing process here is the same as in the Sales tab. Once you select the relevant customer's outlet, you'll see the list of collections to be made on a credit basis. Once you click the View button, you will see the invoice of that amount in an item basis. When you click the Collect Cash button, now you can collect the payment by cash, bank deposit slip, or check. This process is same as the one explained in the Sales tab. That's a quick overview of the collection process. Now moving on to the next interesting feature by clicking the Tracking button from the dashboard. Use the Track Me button to monitor your location and distance in a map view. Once you on it, your movements are tracked until you turn it off. These records can later be reviewed as detailed reports. When you come to the My Leads tab, here you can manage your existing leads and receive new ones from our extensive GeoBizz data sets using proximity analysis. This way, you can identify potential leads in specific surrounding areas, such as hotels or restaurants. Leads are categorized by their visit status, green for visited and red for not visited. You can view all leads or filter them based on their status as visited or not visited. Additionally, all the leads can be integrated with your own CRM system to ensure a seamless process. So, the details about the CRM entry leads will be listed under this interface. Now, last but not the least feature is reports. Here you can generate customizable reports as per your organizational need. For example, the sales report. You can generate reports based on the sales-related data as you are seeing in this screen. You can also download the report as a PDF. These reports can be tailored to your needs, including HR, finance, and internal audit reports, ensuring all necessary data is accessible and formatted appropriately.